Ever wondered why JavaScript is everywhere? From websites to mobile apps, even servers. It's ruling the tech world. But why? Let's break it down. Did you know JavaScript powers over 97% of your website? Whether you are streaming Netflix or using Facebook or shopping on Amazon, JavaScript is behind it all. Unlike Python or Java, JavaScript runs directly in your browser. No installation needed. It makes website interactive, responsive and dynamic. With frameworks like React, Angular and Vue, JavaScript rules front-end development. But wait, it also powers the backend with Node.js. That means one language for entire website. With over 2 million NPM package, JavaScript has a massive developer community. Need a future? There is already library for it. JavaScript isn't just for websites. With React Native, it builds mobile apps. With Electron.js, it powers desktop apps like Discord, VS Code, and even for the game with Three.js. JavaScript is evolving fast with AI integration, Web3, and serverless computing. It's not just surviving, it's dominating. So now you know JavaScript dominates the web. Are you learning JavaScript or do you already use it? Let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to like, share and follow for more tech content.